My husband bought it as a surprise about August '88. We've got a Golf GTI. It hasn't been used much in the last sort of 10 or 15 years, but the first decade I used it all the time, took the children everywhere, top down all summer. It was an amazing little car to have. It was loads of fun.
In West Yorkshire, Barbara Bristow is getting ready to part with a car that played a huge role in her family's story.
Presented me with it, his first bonus that he received in his promotion. It was a surprise because I had a 4-month-old baby and a little girl 3. So when it was, how do I fit the buggy in, how do I fit the shopping in? What I had to do was lean the buggy on the front seat and put the 2 little ones in the back. My husband used to get it going for the summer. We had a few trips in it and took the top down, and they were like 0 to 60 in 8 seconds. You didn't bother having a hairdo.
Do you know how many miles it's got on it?
About 80-odd thousand, I think.
So it's not crippled with mileage then?
Not really.
What colour is that? Do you know what it is?
It's a bronze, but you don't see them around anyway now, do you? It is a bit of a shame. Maybe I shouldn't be letting it come.
We better shut the garage door, hadn't we?
We better shut the garage door.
Pretend you're not in when they
arrive. Before I change my mind, yeah, because it does look rather pretty, actually.
A flat tyre and a flat battery means shifting the car might not be straightforward.
I don't know quite how they get it out, but he said they'll pump the tyre up and they will try and jump-start the battery and bring a new battery, I believe, so hopefully it comes out all right and they can get it away without too much trouble. My husband passed away 2.5 years ago, and I now feel I haven't got anyone to look after it properly. I know nothing about cars. It seems a good opportunity to say goodbye. My husband got it valued a few years ago, and someone said about 8,000. That might be optimistic, it might be under. I don't know. I'd be disappointed with less than that, I have to say. I did love the car. It was a beautiful gift. It was one of the best things he ever bought me, and time to let it go. Good memories.
Derek and Paul's father-son road trip has brought them to West Yorkshire to pick up Barbara's Golf Cabriolet. The first job in hand, to sort the car's flat tyre.
Have you got a compressor with you, Derek?
Of course, I carry everything with me. What are you talking about? Always fully equipped me, mate. Don't you worry about that. Just going to get a bit of easy start out the motor.
Easy start? It's a VW.
Is it a Carmen?
Yeah.
Here's a Carmen. It's a nice one.
Half leather. By that I mean the front half. The back half's cloth, front half's leather. That's an optional extra, that then. You pay more for a leather back seat.
Well, we got half leather, but split in the unusual way. We normally have each seat split with half leather and half fabric. In actual fact, we now got a back seat fabric and 2 front seats, leatherette, maybe. Hello. Hello.
Now they need a key to get it started.
Posh end of Leeds, this, you know. Ah, big money here. Yeah. Nice people. West Yorkshire people are lovely people. They're so friendly, aren't they? Can't describe a car to save their life like, but they're quite friendly. OK. I just need a key, love. Is there a key about there, do you think? Just need a key.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
I'll have a look if I've got another, but I don't think I have.
You wouldn't know anything about the weird configuration inside with the seats. Leatherette.
It was a project started and not finished.
Was it? He was changing it to leather or leatherette, was it? Yeah.
Because
do you have the original
it's wearing
seats?
Holes, you know.
Yeah.
Well worn.
And are they the original seats that have been covered, or have they been replaced? Do you have the original seats? No. Yeah. Right. We're going to give it a try. See what we can do.
It's the little details that often grab Derek's attention. And for this Golf, that means those seats.
It's an ongoing project. So the front seats have been recovered in leatherette, and the rear seats were due to be covered in leatherette, but never actually did get done. Problem is that the new owner has got to recover the back seat, obviously. I won't bother with the front ones now. The back seats in exactly the same material and colour, isn't he, you see? Ready?
Yeah. Hang on. We've got no fuel pump buzzing, have we? Got an immobiliser or something?
Might be.
Oh no, that's a garage door.
Oh, shit. You got Barbara's phone number?
What's it like working with your dad?
I pressed the button thinking it might be an immobiliser alarm affair.
No.
Your dad's sitting in half leather.
I'm sitting in full leather, John.
Right, sorry.
And whoever sits in the back is going to be sitting in full cloth.
Yeah, but Paul's grovelling about on the floor.
Well, that makes sense.
Yeah. Well, you've either got it turned off or it's kaput.
Are we going to try it? That fob is clearly for the garage door.
Well, I think we worked that bit out.
There's nowhere obvious that you'd put an immobiliser.
Fuel pump issue, personally.
Eventually, the traditional methods prevail.
Yeah, go on in. Right hand. Yeah, go on. Right hand. Right hand.
Hold on. Me full leather seats moved.
The full.
It's not locking in place. Oh, I've got brakes. Yeah.
All right, okay.
Could you mention that, John? Never thought of that.
What, brakes?
Yeah.
Certainly when you go downhill, particularly backwards.
Where's the wagon? That way then still?
Further along. Get all the good jobs done.
What technique is this, Paul?
Well, this is one of them. Shouldn't have come.
This is the old-fashioned way of moving a car, John.
Whose idea was it to move down
I don't
here?
like doing it really, but needs must on the starter motor.
So whilst you're sat in your full leather,
Full leather front upholstery, full cloth rear upholstery.
Paul gets to push.
And you know what? I'm still going to advertise it half leather. Half leather, half cloth. Can't be wrong, can you?
We're off. Go on, tick over. Yeah, go on.
See, it's going.
Tick over. It's me out of reach.
How many cans to a mile does it do?
Yeah, about 3 cans a mile.
We might have a bit of problem, aggravation here. Hope there's another set of keys. There should be another one with a petrol cap key on.
Everyone's come with me and look at everything I've got, 'cause I've got
Bang on.
lots of keys, sorry.
Absolutely.
You are aware it's not locked, aren't you?
Ooh. Well, I think we still need... well, I wasn't, as it happens. But...
Going back to my earlier question, Paul, what's it like working with your dad?
Challenging, shall we say. Poor old Degsy. Yeah. I would think the car's going to do somewhere around about 5 grand. Plenty of life left in it, isn't there? Well, got to get life in it first, I suppose. But anyway, but we had it running there briefly. Trouble is, you needed a runner and an aerosol to keep it running. All is well. That's it, mate. We're on.
We're on with the next
Good to
one
see
then,
you.
eh?
Off to the next one, yeah. We're going round by the airport somewhere now, pick another one up.
Okay.
He's been drinking tea, look.
Next stop, 10 miles away, to pick up the Lotus Elise.